As a manufacturing or quality manager, you know how important it is to perform preventive maintenance on your equipment to extend its life, minimize downtime, and maintain quality. That's why many leading manufacturers rely on SIMCO's CERDAAC software to automate and streamline their preventive maintenance workflows. SIMCO's preventive maintenance solution is part of our cloud-based CERDAAC platform, which automates and streamlines key manufacturing support processes such as calibration management, asset management, and more. CERDAAC is easy to use and your staff can quickly create maintenance requirements and requests. All maintenance information is easily accessible in CERDAAC's database, including service dates, procedures, work orders, results, and more. CERDAAC eliminates your paperwork with easy-to-use electronic forms. Maintenance scheduling is automated to ensure compliance, and you can schedule service based on date, cycle count, or hours of operation. Our preventive maintenance solution allows you to manage your maintenance vendors and monitor their performance at a glance. The asset tracking option lets you use barcode scanners to quickly identify assets and equipment and track their location and status. CERDAAC helps you manage the parts that are consumed in the maintenance process, keeping track of part quantity, location, vendors, and more. You can also easily create a work request for unplanned maintenance and repairs. CERDAAC provides detailed audit trails to simplify audits and ensure compliance. Digital signatures record who completed and who reviewed the work. If your company is in life sciences, CERDAAC's optional compliance module is validated to comply with FDA requirements, eliminating the need for you to invest in your own software validation efforts. CERDAAC provides automated email notifications and scheduled reports of upcoming services due. Real-time executive dashboards and customized reports help you analyze and continually improve all aspects of your maintenance program. Because CERDAAC is cloud software, you can securely access the system from anywhere. There are no additional costs for IT hardware or support. To see how CERDAAC's preventive maintenance solution can improve your maintenance program, visit simco.com/demo.